Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will explain to you how you can add clickable links to your bio on TikTok. So let's get started. Now in the first step, head over to TikTok, for example, access their web application of TikTok, log into your account and select profile here on the left sidebar to access your account settings or profile settings. And on the next page, guys, click on that button here, edit profile, to add a link to your profile's bio. For the sake of this tutorial, I will go with an example website like, let's say, google.com. Head over to Google, copy the URL, head back to your profile on TikTok, paste your URL here into this text box where it says bio, and confirm by clicking on save here in the bottom right corner. That's basically it. The problem though with this method, guys, is that unfortunately links you add to your bio or to your profile that way will not be clickable, unfortunately. As you can see, that link is displayed in my profile's bio, but unfortunately it is not clickable. When I try to click on it, nothing happens. So your followers either highlight your link and copy it to paste it in another tab to access your destination page. That's one way how we can solve this. Or the other one, guys, is to reach a minimum follower count of 1000 on your TikTok account, because once you have surpassed that threshold of 1000 followers, your account will become eligible to feature also clickable links in your bio. And that's the second option how we can solve this in 2024. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.